I made $600 today in just a few hours by simply typing names online, and I plan on making even more money as soon as I'm done recording this video. I already did all the research and testing, so you don't have to. This method is completely free, and requires no investment, no experience, and absolutely no talent whatsoever, so anyone can do this. This brand new method I just found will allow you to make up to $1,500 daily, and it's absolutely free. But you have to watch this video from the start to the end, so you don't miss anything, and if you can't pay attention for 10 minutes then I'm sorry, but you won't be making any money. Before I show you everything, make sure to smash that like button if you enjoy this type of content, and make sure to subscribe as well, so you don't miss out on any make money opportunities. Alright, let's jump straight to the video. So the website we will be using today is called talentdesire.com, and before I show you anything, I want to show you how much you can actually make. Here, they have a freelance earning simulator, which is basically a calculator you can use to calculate how much money you will actually make. Per page earning calculator. With the help of this calculator, you can simply calculate the estimated per page earning. As much time you will spend on your freelance work, you will earn more experience and rates. So basically, we will be making more money as time goes by, but for now let's calculate how much we will be earning from the very start. As you can see, we will be getting 5 cents per word, or per name, which may not seem as a lot, but there are 300 words in a single page, which adds up to a total of $15 per page. And did you know that you can write as many pages a day as you want? You can be making $150, $450, or as much as $1,500 in a single day by just typing names. As I told you before, I have been testing and researching this business, and in order to do that, I registered, and I asked for some typing jobs, and as soon as I sent them the request, they sent me multiple online documents, into which I was supposed to write 300 words, in order to make some easy money, and now I will show you 2 documents they sent me that I did not send back to them yet. So look at this is one of the documents they sent me. As you can see, this document has a number of 42, because they already sent me 41 more documents that I already completed and sent straight back to them. Into each document you only want to type exactly 300 words or names, because they are paying you only for 300 words, so why do any unnecessary work? I already did this project, so this is guaranteed $15 for free. So if I completed 41 documents, and they sent me $15 for each one of them, that means I made $615, just today. Yes, you heard me correctly. As I told you at the beginning of this video, I discovered this method today, so I completed only 41 pages, and I plan on completing many more as soon as I'm done recording this video. I did not finish the second online document, because I wanted to show you this method as soon as possible, so I typed only 128 names so far, but I will type the rest as soon as I'm done with this video, and you should do the same. Watch this video to the very end, and go make some money typing names. It's that simple. Okay guys, so we are back at the Talent Desire homepage, and I want to tell you that this is absolutely free, so you don't have to invest a penny in order for this to work. There are no hidden costs before or after joining either, so this is completely free. So, if we scroll a bit down, we can see all the jobs that you can apply for on this website. Online proofreading, blogging, language translation, paid surveys, transcription, and the list goes on. I already made a video on how to make up to $400 per hour doing translation and transcription jobs using Google Translate as your way to translate any language into English. So if you are interested in those jobs, pause this video, click the very top right of your screen or view my video description. Watch the video and then return here, so you know about all the options you have, and you can choose which one fits you the best. So the one job we are most interested in right now is this one, called Online Typing Jobs. If we click on that, we will see all the potential money we could be making. As you can see right here, you can earn up to $27,000 or more per year, which is an incredible side hustle, and I will show you how you can make even more, but for now stick with me. This is how much people earn in each category. Logically, the beginners make the least, and the experts make the most, and I will show you how to make the same money as an expert does, right from the start. So their requirements are basic knowledge of internet and English, which you most definitely have since you are watching this video in English, minimum 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed, and computer with a high-speed internet connection. The last one doesn't matter that much. What does matter, however, is the second requirement, the minimum 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed. But you don't have to know how to type fast. The faster you can type words, the more effectively you can fill those pages to the required 300 words, so the higher you rank will become. And if you want to make the most money, you will have to get expert rank, but you don't have to know how to type fast in order to reach expert level, because now I will show you the secret on how I made so much money so quickly, using this secret website that not many people know of. Meet Ratatype.com. This website can give you a legit certificate that a lot of businesses around the world consider as valid, so you can use this certificate on many different websites. So if you want to receive a fast typer certificate, you need to click right here, on this text that says Start Typing Now. Don't get scared now, because this is not the test itself, you only need to type this in order to move forward. You don't need to be fast, just take your time and make sure you type it all correctly. So once you've done it, you click on Improve Typing Speed right here, and here you will register into this website. You have to enter your real name, because this name will be shown on your certificate, your email, your password, and make sure to have this box unchecked, so you won't receive any spam to your email address, and make sure this box here is checked, because in order for us to move forward, it needs to be checked. I already created my own certificate, so I will create a brand new account to show you what next steps you must take next, in order to become expert level typer. But before I do that, if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to smash that like button, and also make sure to subscribe as well, so you don't miss out on any new money-making methods I find. Okay, so let's go back to the video. As you can see right here, I have created a brand new account. In order for you to get a certificate, you need to scroll down here, hover past this image of a certificate, and click on Get Certificate. You will have to type this short text as fast as you can with the highest accuracy as you can achieve, but don't be scared, because you can take this test as many times as you want, because you can restart it right here, and do it from the beginning. Make sure your WPM, which means words per minute, is at least 50 or 60, and your accuracy also needs to be at least 90%. Don't get frustrated, it may take you a couple of tries, but in the end all the money you earn from just typing names will be worth it. You can see me completing this test right now. I've sped up the video a bit, so I don't waste your time. Okay, so I've done it, and as you can see, I receive my own certificate, that will make me an expert level typer, and will allow me to make over $15 in page just by typing names. Now you want to click on that certificate, and you will be sent to your Ratatype account, and as you can see it's official. Get Rich Now is obviously not my real name, but since I already have my own certificate that is even better than this one, I don't have to do it twice. So once you are hired as an online typer, you just simply need to send them this certificate, and then they will pay you expert level money, even when you are a complete beginner. Okay guys, we are almost done. Now I will show you how to register into TalentDesire.com, and you will be ready to earn up to $1,000 per day just by typing names. Okay guys, so it is quite difficult to navigate around their website, so it was very hard to find a page on which you can register, so I will make it easier for you. So what you want to do is open up my video description and click on the link that looks like this. I will make sure to put it there, so don't worry. Now that you are on this website, you need to fill information about yourself, like first name, last names, email, contact number, country and zip code. When you are done with those, scroll down and right here you need to type Professional Data Entry Specialist, because that will make you earn even more money. Once you are done with that, you can choose what time is best for you, and how you would like to receive your money, on PayPal or anything else. Then you select your profession status, you check this box right here, and enter your signature, which can be either your first name or your last name. Now that you have done everything, check this box that you are not a robot, and click Submit, and you start right away and make some money by typing names online. Before you start typing names and earn hundreds and maybe even thousands of dollars, make sure you smash that like button, and make sure to subscribe as well, so you don't miss out on any new make money opportunities.